Space Cadets, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. My Patreon officially gets launched in 1 week. I'm not really sure what to expect. Because of that, I'm only going to be doing a max of 3 real-time videos a month, and hopefully I will get to weekly videos of 4. So if you're interested in subscribing to that later, I will post more information about it below. For today's video, I am not entirely sure what I'm going to make yet. Let's just get to it and get started. I am using an aqua green, a primary blue, and a primary white by Basics. And for the brushes, well, I will be using my hands. This entire video is just going to be a actual hand-painted galaxy. And it's something I've always wanted to try doing because I am known for using my hands when I paint my galaxies, but not in my videos because it's not a specific technique. Obviously, you can't really teach it. So this entire video is me attempting my first galaxy using just my hands. I highly encourage you try it. It was so much fun to try and create. I also tested out a flow aid that I had just bought. I had never used one before, but I saw a video of someone using it on YouTube. Wasn't really in love with it. I found water to be more helpful, but you know, testing out different products is all a part of the game. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, hit that like, subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. And if you are interested in seeing more of my artwork, you can find my work at Lanchen Designs on Instagram or Etsy. Alright, Space Cadets, I'll see you next time.